Today, myself Veena of class 8 Sapphire in Holy Child Public School. Today, I am here with my interesting topic of science, which is cell structure and functions. So, let's move to cell. What is a cell? A cell is a lowest level of organization which have life. Second, cell is a basic functional and structural unit. Third, cells are microscopic and cannot be seen with our naked eyes. So, all the organisms are made up of cells, like a brick in a building and a cell in a living organism. So here the brick and the cell in our organisms are the basic structural unit. Our second topic is discovery of cell. So in 1665 Robert Hooke observed the cork under a simple magnifying glass. A cork is a bark of a tree. So he observed the compartment and partition boxes under his device. So he noticed it. Then very few was known after Hooke's observation, and now we know a lot about a cell structure and its function, divided on the basis of shape, size and number. First, number of cells. So, have you ever noticed the body of an elephant? Yeah, it have million and trillions of cells in it. So, the body of living organism like human have trillions of cells in it. So there are two kinds of cell, number of cells. First multicellular and second unicellular. So multicellular. So multicellular means many cell. The organism which have many cells in it is called multicellular. And unicellular means single celled organism. An organism made up of only single cell, only one cell is called unicellular, like amoeba and paramecium. Second, shape of cells. Generally, cells are round, spherical and elongated. Examples like spherical like red blood cells, spindle shape like muscle cells and long branchy like nervous cells. So some cells do not have their definite shape like amoeba and WBCs. WBCs means white blood cells. So amoeba and WBCs do not have their definite shape. Third, size of cell. The size of cell in living organisms may be small as a micron and may be large of few centimeters. The smaller cell is 0.1 to 0.5 in the bacteria, and the largest cell measuring ever is 170 mm into 130 mm is the egg of an ostrich. Our next topic is parts of a cell. The basic components of cell are cytoplasm, cell membrane and nucleus. First, cell membrane. The boundary of the cell is called cell membrane and the another thick covering on the cell called cell wall. Next is nucleus. The central dense round body is called nucleus, and nucleus is divided into three different parts called nuclear membrane, nucleus and chromosomes. So nuclear membrane. Nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane called nuclear membrane, nucleus. With a microscope, we see the smaller spherical-like body called nucleus. This is called nucleus. Third is chromosomes. Nucleus contain thread-like structure called chromosomes. The third basic component of cell is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like structure between the nucleus and the cell membrane. Next is nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is also the jelly-like structure is present in the nucleus. The protoplasm. Protoplasm is the cytoplasm and nucleoplasm combinedly known as protoplasm. So we studied different parts of a cell. So let's compare the plant cell and animal cells. So let's move. So in a plant cell, the cell wall is present, but in the animal cell, the cell wall is not present. The size. The size of the plant cell is small, but the animal cell have the large size. So vacuole. Vacuole of the plant cell is large and animal cell have small or absent in vacuole. So the plasticides. The plants have the plasticides present in it, but in the animal the plasticide is absent, and the basic component like cytoplasm, nuclear membrane and nucleus, they are present in both plant cell and animal cell. So today we discuss a lot about cell structure and functions, and thank you.